So it's a 14mm socket. That's what I'm going to need here to loosen this wheel on this Craftsman lawnmower that's about, I don't know, 6 or 7 years old. This is also like maybe a Husqvarna. It's a pretty generic lawnmower. It's got front wheel drive and it's self-propelled, but these wheels don't seem to work too well anymore. Let me start it up and show you. When I engage the wheels spin, but when I set it on the ground, they don't pull the lawnmower. So we got to do something about that. So let's take the wheel off. Well, there you go. All the gears are stripped. That's not what it's supposed to look like. Here's a metal gear, and inside the wheel is a plastic gear. Replacement wheels. Do you see the difference between the two? Look at how all the gears are stripped out of this one just from age, and then we're just gonna have to put a different wheel on right here. Well, let me show you something here first. Let's take this off. I don't even know what's behind here. I've never taken this off before. So that's the belt that pulls this gear. Here's the cable. So when I pull this thing, it engages the cable down there and tightens the belt and makes the gear move to make the wheel move. Where's this belt attached to? Well, it's attached to the shaft. So the belt's in here. See, there's the belt. You learn a new thing every day. Let's put the new wheels on. So if you want to get these same wheels, got them on Amazon, you can click the link below. Now we got to go get Jack so he can mow the lawn. Look what I fixed for you. It's the lawnmower. Good news.